What's up, everybody? Of course, for those of you who may not know, I'm your girl Cooking with Tammy, and I am back, not with another cooking video, but to introduce my line of seasonings. Yay! Let me tell you, it's been a lot of work, it's been hard work, but in life, everything, when you want it to be great, it's going to consist of hard work. So what are you going to do? You're going to give up, or you're going to put in that effort and make those dreams a reality? You better agree with me with that one, all right? And as you can see before your eyes, I know most of you know already, but we have our Creole seasoning along with our seafood seasoning and our Cajun seasoning, all right? Let me tell you, this seasoning right here is really, really, I put in that time, energy, and effort, first of all right? And everything, the flavors had to be true, authentic flavors. If not, I was not satisfied. We ended up going back to the drawing board until we figured it out. And I can guarantee you it is figured out. Every single flavor in this bottle, or should I say in these bottles, represent its name, its true name. Creole seasoning, I'm telling you, it takes you right back to Louisiana, all right? It's Creole to the fullest. Seafood seasoning, oh my goodness, absolutely amazing, all right? Our Cajun seasoning has that nice Cajun kick and flair, minus the sodium, because the reason why I really wanted to come up with this seasoning collection is not because, oh, I just want to come up with the seasoning collection. No, it's because I cook a lot and I know flavors, all right? And flavors is what makes our food taste great, right? I think we can all agree on that part. But I noticed, like, especially when it came to the Cajun seasoning, in order to get that nice Cajun flair or Cajun kick of flavor, you have to add when it comes to using other brands, a ton of it. But as you're adding it, you're also adding a ton of salt. So you're getting that little kick, but you're getting that extra sodium, and I'm not beat for that. So I was like, you know something, I need to come up with my own Cajun seasoning that's going to consist of, in fact, no salt whatsoever. So that way you can go in as much as you want, get that nice little Cajun flavor going on in your recipes. And if you choose to add salt, that's going to be totally up to you and your preference, all right? And that's what I did. And I'm like, you know something? I don't want to just come out with one seasoning. Let's just make it a collection. So then I thought about it, and then I ended up coming out with the seafood seasoning. Perfect complement to any seafood dish. Now here's the thing, for those of you who may have a seafood allergy, the seafood seasoning, minus the name, does not consist of any seafood whatsoever. All right, that's the great thing. We could rock out with using it for chicken, beef, just about any type of meat. It goes perfect with, all right? Those crab cakes, lobster tails, it doesn't matter. It's the perfect complement. When it comes to our Creole seasoning, like I said, it takes you to the deep south, all right? Absolutely delicious. It has that perfect flavor, the combination of seasonings. I mean, it's A1. And I'm not just saying it because I made it. For me, I'm the type of person where if I tell you something is good, it's great. You hear me? Because I'm a very peculiar type of perfectionist type of person. So if I'm telling you something is good, it's actually great. Amazing. All right? And like I said, everything in these bottles definitely represents my brand, Cooking with Tammy. And I can't think of a time that I've ever given anyone a recipe that didn't taste good. All right, first of all, I have to perfect it first before I even introduce it to you. That's just the kind of person I am. I'm not going to get on camera, make a bunch of junk and say, oh, it tastes absolutely delicious. Go try it, go make it. And then you make it and it's like, this shit tastes ordinary. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm just that type of person. I just want to say thanks to everybody who showed me love and support. And of course, everyone who purchased my seasoning. I appreciate you so, so much. Thank you so much, guys. I knew you guys were going to support. Trust me. I know you were going to like go all out and do your thing to show your girl that support. I really appreciate you. Thank you for all of the beautiful commentary as well. And for those of us who haven't purchased just yet, guys, head on over cookingwithtammy.shop. Purchase your seasonings. Trust me, it's so well worth it. And once again, I just want to say thank you to everyone who made that purchase. Second thing I want to address is the cost. For some people, it may be a little bit pricey because it's like, wait a minute, it's a seasoning. Why is it so pricey, quote unquote, right? In life, if you want good quality stuff, sometimes you have to pay a little bit more in order to get, the best quality. And I can guarantee you that these seasonings, unlike other brands that sell for a cheaper price, it's because it has more fillers. They can't give you best quality for less to nothing. And yeah, so it's your choice whether or not if you want to rock out with this brand or another brand. But just know that if you rock out with another brand, it's because you're getting more fillers. And it's an entity, it's a company, they have to make money. And they can't give you the best and not make a return on their investment. Their profit margin has to equate to something at the end of the day. So yeah, that's just it when it comes to the price. But other than that, these seasonings are great. I've been rocking out with them before I actually even decided to introduce it to you guys. And trust me when I tell you, perfect. And by the way, if you want to purchase these seasonings, feel free to go on over to cookingwithtammy.shop. Yeah, and I got you. The website is really easy to navigate. It's not a problem. Just get on there, purchase the seasonings, and I will definitely ship them on out to you. And with all of that being said, check out the next video that I have coming. It's going to be a delicious recipe, of course. And as always, I would definitely catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.